We've reconfigured the quantum stabilizer.
Yeah.
Ensure it's compatible with the new shielding matrix.
Status reports on the tablet, everything checks out.
Scanning complete. Entering zone.
The thermal transfer module is secured.
Calibration is off by 0.0.
The preliminary results indicate high sensitivity. Adjust the antenna alignment on the center table.
The readings look good.
Excellent. Let me get the calibration tool.
Winding complete. Initiate extraction sequence. Commencing diagnostics.
Alignment correct. Proceeding with attachment.
Strong reading. Pinpointing the target now.
The depth reading and detection confidence are stable.
Let's double check the anomaly threshold.
Adjusting sensitivity now, it looks good.
Batch A, successful. All units are 100% functional and ready for field test. Final inspection complete. Keep your eyes peeled. Almost there. Readings look clear.
Approaching the apex now. Maintaining speed through the curve.
Solid performance at high velocity.
Object is buried, secure, and marked. Detected. Mark it, mark it. Let's see. Detected. Target A42 at 10 centimeters. Marking the spot now. Okay, confirmed. Got it. This is a good one.
The live signal is stable. Target ID is A42. Success.
Good, let's start the sweep. Roger. Initiating secondary scan now. The radar is picking up something right here.
Check this spot with the metal detector.
Getting a positive reading now. The signal is stable here.
Significant in your attack report.
Increase the scan rate. We have a potential detection.
Setting sensitivity to 5.
Confirming.
Initiating sweep protocol.
Sector 3, visual confirmed.
Roger, checking data. Move ahead with caution.
The load is ready. Destination Kyiv.
Pallet number 4, destination Kyiv. Confirmed, secure and ready to move. Secure those top cases. Checking. Reporting for duty. Copy that.
Equipment ready. Starting sweep now.
I have a signal. Secondary sweep confirms. Proceed with caution, team moving. Negative contact, clear so far. Hold. Got a possible hit here.
Detected. Stay sharp. Confirm target. Initiating retrieval protocol.
Detection confirmed. RDX explosive located at 15 centimeters. Proceed with caution. RDX detected at 15 centimeters. Signal strength 95%.
In the TerraScan TS500. Advanced mine detection. Securing the path forward.